Hi everyone, my name is Brandon, Marketing Director for OSI Go Direct, which, by the way, is becoming North America's fastest growing brand in the smart DIY security product space for both home and business. And guess what? We want you to join our team and become an OSI Go Direct dealer. As an authorized dealer for OSI Go Direct, you're not just selling smart security, but you're helping to keep neighborhoods safe with smart security that's high quality with features that keep up with the bigger, well-known brands that are more expensive, except with no monthly fees and affordable enough so that everyone has the chance to protect the things and people that matter to them most. Our industry-leading warranty, top-notch customer support, and marketing assistance have your back every step of the way. Our products are completely hassle-free without the need for professional installation and designed for straightforward setup. And to further help our customers, we've printed a QR code on every box of every product we sell, which links to nearly 100 YouTube tutorial videos. This ensures for a smooth installation process for our customers while minimizing frustration and contributing to our outstanding brand reputation. But of course, once in a while, a customer may run into some issues. So if they require any help, all they have to do is connect to one of our very knowledgeable agents through our live chat, or they can create a customer support ticket. We also have a very extensive knowledge base filled with all sorts of answers, backed up with lots of images and videos. But here's the best part about being a dealer for OSI Go Direct. By joining us, you become part of a network committed to excellence. And we've got your back with competitive pricing, big, bold marketing support, and exclusive promotions. Plus, we've got over 25 years of experience in the security industry. So trust us, we know our stuff. So what are you waiting for? Let's make homes and small businesses safer together. Just fill out that online dealer form and be part of the OSI Go Direct team. My name is Brandon, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon.